Coming to section 37, we find that each party to the contract must either perform or offer to perform their respective promises, unless performance is dispensed with or excused under this act or any other law. It indicates that there may be situations where performance of the contract may be excused, and we should be careful to note those situations as and when they come. For the time being, just note that there will be situations in this act or maybe in some other law where the performance of a contract may be dispensed with. But until and unless that is done, parties to the contract are bound to perform their respective promises. This is what section 37 obliges each party to the contract. What happens if the promisor dies before performing his part of the contract? This section makes it very clear that the representatives of the promisors are bound by the promises made by the promisor before his death, unless contrary intention appears from the contract. So it depends upon the nature of the contract whether the representative of a dead promisor are bound by the promise. In this regard, we will see two illustrations. The first illustration talks about delivery of goods. It says A promises to deliver goods to B on a certain day on payment of 1000 rupees. A dies before that day. This is a normal contract where there is a promise and there is a consideration. And full details are given in this example as to what is the promise and what is the consideration. Now A dies before the day of delivery of goods. In this situation, A's representatives are bound to deliver the goods to B and B is bound to pay 1000 rupees to A's representatives, which means that death of the promisor does not affect the execution of the contract. The contract will have to be performed by the representatives of the dead promisor.